Okay, welcome back. Let's say we are all finished. We have everything edited. We checked through, we watched it, and everything is good to go to export and turn in our project. So if I just saved this and turned in my Premiere Pro file, okay, I go up to File, Save, and then I go to my folder and I turn this in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, what happens is this is just the project which has the details, but it doesn't actually have the video in there. Remember, it's only linking the videos to your hard drive. In order for us to play this, for you to submit it and me to watch it, or you to put it on your other devices or upload it to the internet, what we need to do is we need to export it as an MP4. So for now, we're going to use the quick export for this tool. There is an export in here in case something doesn't work later. We will do the export tool here later. But for now, what we are going to do is we are going to go in and we're going to quick export. That's going to pull up a menu here. We just have a few things that we have to worry about that we want to double check. First of all, we want to put this into a place where we can access it later. Your default will probably be the project folder where you were working on it, which is your M drive. Right now, my M drive is too full for me to save it. So I'm going to save it into my downloads folder, which is on my C drive. That's right here on the hard drive on my computer. I have plenty of room on there, but I just have to be aware that I may lose that video in the future if this drive gets wiped. So I'm going to put my title on it, 14 shots, and then I'm going to hit save there. All right, so that's fine. Now I want to double check that this is an MP4. It's saying that it is an H.264. Okay, I want it to match my source because that's the type of videos that I'm going to put. It's going to render at the highest resolution. And H.264 is a type of an MP4 video. What that is, it's the type of encoding that it's using. We don't have to worry about that, but we do want to make sure we double check that. Okay, so I am rendering in 4K. Here's the 4000. It's an MP4 video, and then all I have to do is hit export. You will notice it starts to export and it tells me how long I have left. One thing that you're going to notice at the end of this video, when it's done rendering, it's going to get to 99 and then it's going to hang there, and it might stay there as long as 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it's going fast now. What that's doing is it's finalizing the package for my my packaging or my coding on the file. So don't worry, leave it go, just let it sit there. The computer's doing its thing. If you wait over 5 minutes, call me over and we may need to retry. But as soon as that's done, then what we will do is we will go to the location where you saved it. It's going to finish. This is going to close on its own. All right, we're getting close to the 90. It's going to slow down. And then the file that you save it to, which mine's in my download, that's going to be what you add to our class to turn in for a grade. So there is finished. Here's where it's exported to. Perfect. That opened up over here and I can see that it was successful. All right, thanks for joining me. You can take that video that you just rendered, add it, attach it to our class and turn it in, and I will get a grade on it. We will see you later. In the meantime, keep editing.